Greetings, what's good, family? Today I bring you some terrible news. So, veteran actor and gospel artist Seputla Sebogodi has unfortunately passed away at the age of 63. We mourn an iconic figure in the entertainment industry. His family confirmed that he died on the evening of Wednesday, 15th of July, following complications related to diabetes. Known effectively by his fans, Sebogodi was a towering figure in South African entertainment industry. We all know him, with a career that spanned more than 3 decades across television, theater, film, and radio. Yeah, man, so these are some sad news, man. His family requested privacy during this time as the nation mourns the loss of a true television and theater legend. Sebogodi was loved and respected by many. So many South African actors, veteran actors, and musicians are already pouring their condolences to the Sebogodi family, man. So Sebogodi rose to prominence in the early 1990s as Nkusheng in Bophelo ke Semphego, followed by a prominent role in Suburban Bliss, Rhythm City, The River, and Scandal. A deeply respected stage actor, he performed and acclaimed plays such as Waiting Gadot and Rivonia Trial. Just days before his passing, he performed in the Black Play Moon at the National Arts Festival in Makhanda. Sebogodi was born in Pretoria, but he spent most of his childhood life in Polokwane in Limpopo. This is where he became fascinated by acting and started developing the love for theater, play, and acting as a whole. As he grew up and became an award-winning actor and an award-winning gospel artist. Not long before his passing, Seputla had come out talking about the dangers in the entertainment industry. He went on to speculate that the industry doesn't really value and respect veteran actors. Sebogodi's obituary will be a living testimony. It will entail the story of a man who climbed mountains, a man who conquered everything. Even though Sebogodi came from tough times, tough backgrounds, but he believed, and in the end, he achieved. Even though he's gone, but not forgotten. RIP to Seputla Sebogodi. Long live to you, Mr. Kenneth.